What is up, my bendy people? In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly why I've decided to start a YouTube channel in the year 2022. And yes, I know what you might be thinking, girl, you're a bit late to the party. But respectfully, I disagree. And here's why. I think that as technology grows and expands and makes our life easier, I feel like content is going to do the same thing. And that brings me to my very first reason. And first, I'm gonna put this mic down because it's getting a bit heavy. Hey. Okay, so the first reason I'm starting this YouTube channel is because I want to make content that makes your life easier, that makes your life better. For me, stretching changed my life. At a really low point in my life when I was going through a really bad breakup and I felt like a victim loser girl, I started stretching, and I would have these really profound moments where I would be deep in a pose and I would just break down. It was like really emotional. I would start crying, but it wasn't these tears of, oh, poor me, I'm by myself. It was like, wow, you're gonna be okay. You're here for a reason. You were meant to do so much more. Stretching to me has helped me heal myself. If maybe that sounds corny, but I really believe that we hold trauma and tension in our body, and it's through movement that we're able to heal ourselves. So, if you want a bit of that in your life, this channel is for you, babe. Number 2, I wanna be my own boss, and I kinda wanna be rich. Even the I kinda wanna, I'm saying it because it seems weird to say that to people. I wanna be rich. Now, before you guys write me off as this capitalist pig, just hear me out with this wealth thing. I think being rich means different things to different people. And I've learned in the last year that I really don't need a lot to be happy. I'm kind of broke right now and I'm really happy, really happy. And I'm grateful for everything I have in my life. With that being said, when I say I want to be rich, I just want to have freedom. I want control over my time. I want choices and the ability to live life on my own terms. And I deserve that. Why not? If we can manifest whatever we want in our life, that's what I want. So that is reason number 2 for me starting this channel. Now, lastly, the final reason, you guys, I'm starting this YouTube channel is because I know I can do it. I know I can make content for you guys that helps you get your splits, that helps you with meditation and breath work and yoga and all the things that I've learned that have helped me better my quality of life. And the other day, just a little share time, I was sleeping alone. I live alone in this apartment in New York, and rude? In this apartment, it was midnight and I was sound asleep, and I woke up with a shooting pain in the right side of my low back. And my first thought was fuck, I don't have health insurance and I'm gonna die. I was really scared because I was also alone. I've never woken up or experienced anything like that. So I was really fucking scared. And my dying regret, my thought was, Jasmin, you never started that YouTube channel. You never took it seriously. You never went all in. So here's to going all in, and here's to committing to making posting one video every Thursday about how to get your splits, morning routines, stretching, yoga, fitness. I'd like to be that girl for you guys. And if you like that idea, if you like what I'm saying, if you resonate at all, subscribe, ring the bell, and let's do it together. With that being said, namaste team, and till the next time.